Unraveling Love Triangles, a guide to complex relationships. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a fascinating expression that's as intriguing as it is common in English storytelling: the love triangle. Whether it's in films, books, or even in our day-to-day conversations, this phrase paints a picture of complicated affections. Let's explore what it means and see it in action. A love triangle refers to a situation where three people are involved in a complex relationship of romantic feelings. It's not about geometry, but about emotions and relationships where one person is the object of affection for two others, creating a triangle of connections. Typically, the two competing for the same person's love are aware of each other's feelings, which leads to tension and drama. To see a love triangle in action, you don't need to look further than popular culture. Classics like Wuthering Heights or blockbusters like Twilight showcase these complex relationships. These stories help us understand the emotional dynamics and the conflicts that arise within a love triangle. Understanding the concept of a love triangle is important not only for language learners but also for cultural literacy. This theme is deeply rooted in storytelling and often reflects the complexities of human emotions and relationships. Recognizing this phrase helps us better understand and discuss narratives and characters. That's all on love triangles. Whether you find them thrilling or troublesome, they're a staple in tales of the heart. I hope this video has illuminated the corners of this intriguing concept for you. Until next time, keep loving language learning.